What is up? This is What's for Dinner. I'm Drew, and tonight we're making buffalo wings and spicy barbecue sauce. So, obviously we have our chicken wings here. I'm going to cut them up, and I'll show you the last one that I do. Also, traditionally, you got to go with the Frank's Red Hot. Kind of what all started it in Buffalo. And then after we make up our buffalo sauce, I'm going to make some spicy barbecue. And I'm using, everybody knows I use the Kingsford, very little ingredients in this. Honey, jalapeno, mesquite. I wanted the honey, but then I wanted the flavor. This is going to be spicy barbecue sauce. How they make it in restaurants. And of course, you're going to need, usually the recipe calls for 2.5 pounds of chicken wings. This is 4.29, and then a 1/3 cup of butter and a 1/2 cup of Frank's Red Hot. But I'm going to double up the recipe today, also because we're going to need our Frank's Red Hot or buffalo sauce to mix with our Kingsford barbecue sauce. So I'm going to cut those up. I'm going to preheat my oven to 500 degrees. I might go 490, and we're going to do it for 26 minutes. It's recommended to go for 20 minutes at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So we'll be right back. Here's also a good rule of thumb. Of course, I already cut all the other ones, and if you can see, I basically just try to line this up, and the knuckle that you're trying to cut through is never where you think it is. So let's see if I can't get a easy one, and you'll hear well, yeah, you get the point. So, but usually you can find that knuckle, and you're going to want to cut through that knuckle. And my wife likes these ends. Some people will cut these off as well. And of course, if you have any feathers that you can't get out, like that one obviously came out, you can take a lighter and burn them off. So there's that little. And you could coat these in olive oil like a lot of people do, but it's not a high temp oil. So literally, Malcolm Reed, I'm going to spray these down on their outer crust, and then I'm just going to season it with some kosher salt. Very simple. Some people don't even put salt on there because there's so much vinegar and salt in the hot sauce, but there you go. And then once that preheats, it's going to go into the oven for 26 minutes, and I believe 13 minutes into it, I'm going to flip these. So while those are cooking in the oven, which I'm sure the microphone you can hear them, I'm going to put my butter in. And once those somewhat dissolve, I'm going to go ahead and put the Frank's Red Hot in. Okay, that's almost dissolved in there. I'm going to go in with a cup of the Frank's Red Hot sauce. And of course, I would say to whisk this together, but my fancy whisker is dirty at the moment, of course, like everything else in the house. So I'm going to get that all incorporated together. And I've got about 15 minutes left on my wings. And also, you don't want to bring it up to a boil or anything, but once you want to see some bubbles and stuff in there. That's obviously what it looks like. Got it all incorporated together. Once it starts bubbling a little bit, then I'm going to turn it down to low and keep it warm. Basically, you want to coat these when they're still, the chicken wings when they're still hot. So I was worried about them being not crispy enough. So what I did, we went for 27 minutes, and at the 7-minute mark, when it got down to it, I turned off the oven and turned the broiler on. And everybody knows it takes a couple minutes to get going, but they were on the bottom rack, not the top rack. I didn't want to burn them either. So here they are. This is roughly half of them. I think there's 27 wings altogether. And I'm roughly going to grab my 1/2 cup, and these are going to be the the buffalo wings first, and that's probably 1/4 of a cup of my buffalo sauce. If you were to go to a restaurant or something like that, or a pizza place, or just anywhere they do wings, they are going to probably have some kind of like bucket with a lid on it, and do it that way, obviously, because if you start to slide too many of these in here, it's going to be very hard to evenly coat them. And this is super hot, by the way. So I'm going to get these mixed up, plate them, and then we'll be back to do the spicy barbecue. This is for spicy barbecue, and I put a tiny bit of the buffalo sauce down there. And since this is about half the wings, I don't need as much buffalo sauce, maybe 1/4 cup. There's that. And I'm roughly going to do 1/4 cup of the Kingsford, what is it, honey jalapeno mesquite. And that's a little over 1/4 cup. Should be fine. And again, if you were to go somewhere, they probably have a tub. I can mix this all up. And I'll be right back. Oh, Mr. Creepy Face Cam guy. Please like and subscribe. Also, please share these videos. I appreciate everybody out there that watches. Take care.